Yo, what is up, guys? Bradley Walker here with 7, coming at you with part 4 of our educational playlist. If this is the first one that you are seeing out of the series, definitely go back in this playlist, watch episode 1, start there and watch all of them through. If this is the 4th video that you guys are seeing, definitely appreciate your support. Thanks for staying around. A lot more content is coming, a lot more fire. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell to stay up to date with all of our content that we are dropping. Our business will be launching soon, so definitely stay tuned for that as well. A lot of fire, a lot of content, educational courses. A lot of stuff is coming, guys. Definitely stay tuned. All right, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about how Forex trading works and how you can actually make money trading in the foreign exchange markets. It's not that difficult, guys. To make money is difficult, but to trade in the foreign exchange markets, whether profitable or not, is very simple. All you have to do is have a laptop, have a phone, a tablet, anything that has an internet connection, connect to the internet, go onto a brokerage website. We have a lot of links in the bio, so definitely check those out. But yeah, definitely check out the stuff in the bio. We have a lot of links in there for brokerages that we recommend, but it's very simple to trade in the foreign exchange markets. We're going to switch over to another screen here in a minute to show you guys different terminology and stuff so you have a visual representation of what we are talking about. That way you guys can basically read along, follow along, and take notes at any point in time in which you want to. But the short answer to the question is yes, you can definitely make money in the foreign exchange markets. Pretty simple to trade. We are going to break that down for you guys now. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out our other parts if this is the first part that you are seeing.
It's not as difficult as you guys think. A lot of people see charts and they get all confused and they think it's super complex.
All right, guys, so this is the platform that we are currently using for trading the foreign exchange market. It is called MetaTrader 4. It is available on all devices, whether you have Android, Apple, Mac, PC, doesn't matter. You have a Wi-Fi connection and a device. You can utilize these programs. You can utilize MetaTrader 4 and make money in the foreign exchange markets. Now, you will have to find a brokerage in order to start trading. Definitely watch some of our other content to figure out how to set up a brokerage account to get some more insight on trading. Join our free Discord. There's going to be links in the bio of this video. Definitely check them out. Definitely follow along and we can get you along with trading. But you'll want to set up a brokerage account. We're currently using Traders Way, as you can see up top here. So there's a lot of other brokerages out there. We'll put a few in the bios. Definitely check those out. But all you have to do is set up a brokerage account and then have some knowledge on trading the foreign exchange markets. I know that sounds very simple, very basic, but that's really all that it takes, guys. You can literally hop on here, set up a brokerage account, know nothing. And if we pull this up here, the one-click trading, you have a buy or a sell. There's 2 buttons, guys. You'll be 50-50 chance. Obviously, there's analysis and stuff that you can do, but I'm just saying how simple it is. You can literally open a brokerage account, come onto here, buy or sell, and possibly start making money, or you may lose money. You're probably not going to make money for a very long term. You might get lucky a few times, but that's how simple it actually is. Now, if you want to get more advanced, if you want to get more education on the foreign exchange markets, definitely follow along, like, comment, subscribe, check out the links in the bio, follow us on social media. We have a lot of content coming, guys, but trading the foreign exchange market is very simple. All right, yeah, guys, but foreign exchange trading is pretty simple to get started in. It's just a matter of making money that is very difficult. The majority of traders are losing money. We will say that up front, guys. You're definitely not going to get rich off of this. There's a possibility you could, but it's going to take a lot of hard work, a lot of determination, a lot of hours in the day to sit down, to learn, and to do things right, which we will have a lot of content to help you guys in doing so, to prevent you from making some of the mistakes that we have made in trading in the foreign exchange market. So like I said, guys, there's buying and selling. So if we look at this, a sell, by the way, is you want the markets to go down. You're basically buying, but in the reverse side, for the markets to go down, to go in a downtrend for price to fall. So a sell is essentially a buy in the downward direction. A buy is obviously a buy in the upward direction. So right around here, you could say you would want to hop in a sell entry. You can see that the prices came down. Obviously, you would want to do analysis. But yeah, you could definitely see that you could have sold right here. Markets came down from 2023 all the way down now to 1742. So you could have made some nice chunk of change if you would have sold gold at this point in time. It's the same thing for every other currency pair. And then you could say the same thing for over here, for example. You could have seen that and said, okay, if I would have bought in at this zone, you obviously would have rode this up from roughly 1515 all the way up to like 2024 or 2074. So you would have profited off of that buy position as well. So it's pretty simple to make money in the foreign exchange markets. like I said, just a lot of knowledge that you have to attain, a lot of time that you have to put into it. But with us putting in the work with POE, our goal is to minimize all of the time, effort, and energy that you guys have to put into this. We definitely want to help people become full-time sustainable traders on their own as well. But for the people just looking to make extra money on the side right now that are working jobs, taking care of children, doing other things, we want to help you guys do that, whether you're going to school or anything, to be able to make money in the foreign exchange markets.
All right, guys, you guys can see right now gold is, the price is always moving when the market's open, but you see it's around 1742 right now. And as Brad was saying, pips, something that's a major part of Forex with trading. It's basically the price point that gold is at right now. So basically each pip for gold is 0.1. So basically 10 pips would be one whole number. So 1742 to 1743 would be 10 pips. All right, guys, I was talking about the pips there so you guys understand the movement of the pips. 10 pips in gold, our favorite thing to trade in, also known as XAU USD. So that's basically gold's currency pair symbol. So lot size, you can see down here where it says history and you see TP, T/P, it's in green there because we hit take profit, which you guys will learn about when you look into our free course and how to take our signals. But you can see all the way to the right, profit, we made 304 on that on the first trade and 423 on the second trade. And it says size, that's the lot size. So the lot size is 0.3. So basically every point that it moves or every 10 pips that it moves. All right, every pip is $3 at a 0.3. So 10 pips or 1 point would be $30. So you can see as this is moving, earlier in the day, it was as low as showing like 1738 and it went up to 1744 just within this last about 2-3 hours. So that could be, if you did a buy order, as Brad was talking about earlier, that could be about 6 points there, 60 pips. So at a 0.3 lot size, that would be about $180. You can see it in our trades below, the price that we got in at and the price that we sold. It shows basically the profit that we gained. So that's the way you calculate how much profit you'll make. But not to get any more complex, we just wanted a little brief overview of that. Hopefully that wasn't too long, but
yeah, guys, if you take a look down here, like Seven was saying, so right here we traded gold XAU USD. Here our entry price was 1750. Our take profit zone was 1740. So you can see we got a little bit above 1750, but we're not going to worry about the decimals right now. So from 1750 to 1740 is a 100 pip move. So like Seven was saying, guys, if you look down here, for example, we have gold or XAU USD at a 0.3 lot size. So that would be $3 per pip. Looking here, gold was at a 1750. Like he said, if it goes from 1742 to 1743, that is a 10 pip move. If it goes from for example, a 1 pip move would be from 1742.7 to 1742.8. So that would be a $3 gain on a 0.3 from that little 0.1 move. Within gold, a pip is going to be from the 0.1 standpoint. So 0.1, 0.2, that's 1 pip. 0.1 to 0.3 would be 2 pips and so on. But you can see here, we entered in at 1750 on this gold trade at a 0.3 lot size. You can definitely utilize lot size to make more money off of each pip. If you went to a 0.4, it would be $4 per pip and so on. You can also lower this and make it cents per pip. But we're on a little bit larger of an account right here. But anyways, entry price right here being 1750, take profit zone at 1740. You can see we made about $300 in profit there. So at a 0.3 lot size, making $3 per pip, you guys can think to yourselves, what is 300 divided by 3? Obviously it's 100, so that's a 100 pip move that we caught through on that gold trade. And then we had another trade here, same thing, 0.3, got in about 3 points higher, so about a 13, almost 14 point move. You can see we made $423 there and made a little bit more than 100 pips on that trade. So you can definitely utilize lot size to increase the value of pips, but on gold, for example, 1 pip is from 1743.4 to 1743.5. A pip can change and vary depending on the currency pair in which you're trading. We're going to have some content coming out to explain this more in depth. But just looking at another example, right now the euro versus the US dollar is sitting at 1.1907. So if that goes to 1.1908, that would be 1 pip on this pair. If it went from 1.1907 to 1.1910, then that would be a 3 pip gain on the upside. So pips can change their decimal placement based on the currency pair in which you are trading. And the lot size in which you are trading can cause you to make more or less money, or lose more or less money, depending on the lot size in which you are trading based on the pip price at that point in time.
All right, guys, like we were telling you about these 0.3 trades, just to put something into perspective for you guys, we could be doing a 3.0 in our free course and our paid course. We speak about a lot more and show bigger trades, bigger lot sizes for our more advanced users who are trying to really profit. A 3.0 would make 3,000 here and also would make 4,200. There's people who make trades like this. There's people who are trading 30.0s where that would be 30,000 and that would be 42,000. So it's the same amount of work. It's just the amount of money you have in the account and how much you're willing to risk.
Yeah, how big are your balls? How much are you willing to risk on this shit?
Yeah, so that's just something I wanted to put into perspective for you guys as well, too, just the potential of Forex. So.
All right, guys, so that was just a pretty basic explanation of how Forex trading works and whether or not you can make money. The short answer, again, is yes, but definitely follow along for a lot more content that is to come. We have a free course that is out, so definitely be sure to check that out. We have paid courses coming as well, a lot more content. This is part 4 in our educational playlist. Definitely check out the other videos, part 5 through 8, and definitely stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, check out the links in the bio. Make sure you leave some feedback and some comments on this video. We'll see you in the next one.